Number 1. I wish you good health. Raise your arms up. Put your hands over your head. Let your palms be touched. Move your arms to the center of your body. Inhale. Exhale. Number 2. Arms reach the neck and feet for stronger neck and waist. Raise your arms up. Put your hands over your head. Let your palms be touched. Slide down around the back of your neck. Then move down to the front of your neck and pat your throat. Put the backs of your hands together. Reach down to your feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Number 3. Left and right hand circle up to get stronger energy. Put both hands in front of your lower abdomen. Then circle the right arm up over your head and draw down the midline to your center and back to your waist. Switch to your left hand. Circle up the left arm up over your head and draw down the midline to your center and back to your waist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Number 4. Hold up your hands to the sky to adjust your 3 warmers. Interlock your fingers. Raise your arms to your chest. Flip them up and push them up. Circle down and back to your waist. Inhale. Exhale. Number 5. Punch with your arms and rotate your fist for more energy. Put your hands on the side of your waist. Punch with your right arm as you rotate your fist. Open your palm and rotate your wrist so that your palm is facing upward. Make a fist and move your arm back to your waist. Punch with your left arm as you rotate your fist. Open your palm and rotate your wrist so that your palm is facing upward. Make a fist and move your arm back to your waist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
I'm from England. I've been studying Master Yu Tai Chi for about the past 6 months. I really enjoy studying the class. It's a great form of exercise and a really great way to learn more about Taiwanese culture. We do class once a week. After each class you feel very rejuvenated. It's great exercise, it's good stretching, and it always puts me in a really great mood. I would really recommend Master Yu's Tai Chi class. Thank you.